baby, follow my command, like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Follow my command, like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Cause this your milky for front enough for me. Hold on for me, I no go do me corny. And if you're milky na fighty, I saw me to look. Gelato honey, oh baby, small your deep. Baby, gonna waka waka when you enter Malicha. Baby, gonna will you give me sugar, wahala. Macho Mona Lisa, 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 Macho Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa, I go sweep you off your feet. What up, what's up? She said make some time for me, time for me. See for this like me and you tap like hush for me. We walking next there, please show them your best. Baby, hope you know you light to my day. Girl, you know you're all that I need. Give me your love, you can't run away. I can't deny. One bag of man, them one come try. But my love just takes you high. All them I talk about you and I. Nobody listen to them loud. I get butterflies when I see ya. Oh yeah. If I'm in love, it's for a reason. Oh yeah.
Gonna waka waka when you enter Malicha. Baby, gonna will you give me sugar, wahala. Macho Mona Lisa, Macho
Girl, woman, mature adult, AARP. Hey, listen. It's good to be living. You keep living, you get to a certain point, you're proud of it. And my wife is proud of it. All right. So we had everybody in here, almost everybody in here. Couple of stragglers. Go ahead. She good. Come on. All up in the video. So, first of all, again, thank you for all being here. So, if you celebrated a birthday this year, raise your hand. Alright, because if you did, you wouldn't be here. If you celebrated a birthday in the month of September, come stand up front. Okay? All right. Is somebody else? You got a birthday? All right.
Anybody else?
Yes.
Okay. Is anybody celebrating a birthday today?
Oh yeah.
I'm taking pictures, but it was yesterday.
Okay. You're supposed to be up here. All right. Happy birthday. All right. Photographer, Thurman Long. All right. Is anybody celebrating a birthday tomorrow? So first of all, to these three individuals and yourselves, give yourselves a hearty happy birthday.
Hey, she.
Okay, when is your birthday? Her birthday is the 29th. Again, September birthdays. It's Virgo season and Libra season.
Libra!
Okay, we ain't say nothing about the Libras. It ain't your season yet. We love the Libras. Ladies love the Libras. All right. Thank you guys for coming up. We just wanted to celebrate you. All right. So it's a special day tomorrow, which is my wife's birthday. What she doesn't know is there's a part 2 to this celebration. Because she doesn't know that there's a part 2 of this celebration. All I told her was pack a bag to go somewhere tropical for a week, and we're gonna stay in a mansion. All right? So that's all she knows. But since she's 50, and I am a fan of hip hop, and we're celebrating 50 years of hip hop, and my wife is turning 50 this year, then I have to give her the mic because my two loves are turning 50 this year. And I'm gonna give her the mic and she's gonna say a couple of things. DJ?
When you say you love me, it doesn't matter. It goes into my head as just chit-chat. You make me statistical adjustment with people. But you say I take that seriously, and even if I did, I wouldn't tell you. So I'd let you pretend to read me, and then you know, cause I hate when one attempts to analyze, fact I despise those who even try to look into my eyes to see what I am thinking. That dream is over, you got it sinking. I tell all of you like I told all of them. What you say to me is still paper thin. Try to play a man out. I take the money and I give and break the hell out. No, that's not a strategy, not the game I play. I admit I play a game, but it's not done that way. Truly, when I get involved, I give it my heart. I mean, my mama sold my body, I mean, every part. But if it doesn't work out, yeah, it just doesn't. It wasn't meant to be, you know, it just wasn't. So I treat all of you like I treat all of them. And what you say to me is just pathetic. In one ear and right out the other. Hers mumble jumble. Mother, I don't pay attention, I don't concentrate. You ain't got the weight that it takes to hook this. Some of you missed, I put feelings inside. I know who I am. My name is Light. Is your name Sam? Cause if it is, step off. Grab your coat and get lost. Rappers come around your throat, go back and catch your rope and hit the road, Sam. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Sam. Don't you come back no more. So now I take precaution when choosing my mate. I do not touch till the third or fourth date. Then maybe we'll kiss or the fifth or sixth time that we meet. Why? Because the day without a kiss is so incomplete and it made. I let you play with my feet. You can suck them in, Joe, and play in the middle. It's so simple, unlike a riddle. It's as easy as counting to 1, 2, 3. In other terms, letters L-Y-T-E. I tell you, and other you in the back and in the middle and the front. Yo, that's it. Paper thin, word up.
So, if any of y'all saw my post on Instagram at the Rock the Bells Festival, MC Light did that song, and I got 2 performances that day. Easy. All right. So we are going. Man, listen. So we are going to direct our attention to the cake. So, my wife, if you can make your way over to the cake. And some of you may be a little pitchy, so I need to get your good birthday voices on. So, and the 1, and the 2, and the 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Willette. Happy birthday to you.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club.